James and Max here for Replicate, and I am so proud and excited to bring this to you today. Max and I have been in the AI game for some time. We're in a really awesome place where AI is really making big moves for businesses. And that's what's so cool, because businesses have money. Businesses have real problems that we need to solve, and that's what Replicate does. And what problem is it solving? It's solving the problem of businesses wanting more money. Isn't that a problem that every business has? They want more money. Well, what's the deal with that? The deal is that businesses, especially small businesses, they're working in their business. They don't have time to really work with prospects. People are going to voicemail. People are calling their phones and they're not picking up because they're busy doing the work. With Replicate, we've solved that. We've solved a problem that you'd normally have to hire a full team of people to do. It's talking to their prospects. It's converting those prospects into appointments. It's literally turning prospects into money, because now with Replicate, with the AI that we're going to show you to easily set up, it can just go and literally be like a full-time employee. That business person is never going to miss a prospect again, and their competition is losing out. So when we let them try it for free, and now when you let them try this done for you system for free, they see that it works. It sees, wow, we're getting more prospects, we're getting more customers, we're making thousands of dollars. We'll gladly pay you a big price point. We're charging $1,000 for this. And you might say that's a lot of money, but when they're saving literally tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars, and all the headaches of dealing with real people to make something like this potentially happen, they're like, this is a no-brainer. We're gonna give that system to you. This is absolutely incredible. You need to get excited, and you may be saying, well, how am I going to get in front of businesses? We've got that covered. You don't even have to talk to a person. You show them the value. It's all there in this easy, consumable course, and you get access to the tool, the system that you can now use as yours to get in front of these businesses and make a ton of money. Max, I know we've been so excited for this. We literally cannot get to every business that's out there, and we have about a 6-month window to crush it with this, and you have about a 6-month window to crush it. Now's the time you want to get involved in Replicate. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Max?
So yeah, let me sum this up. So with Replicate, you're gonna help businesses get more clients without these businesses having to invest more money into their own business. So you're literally making businesses more money. And what is the one thing that businesses are looking for? Obviously more money. So they will be happily paying you $1,000 a pop if you bring them new customers without them having to invest more money, like spend more money. So this is a win-win situation, and we were initially not gonna release this product because it's working super well for us, but James was like, hey Max, let's reveal this to the public because it's way too good to only keep it for ourselves. And this is why we came up with Replicate. This is something that works super well right now. I am super proud of this. James is super proud of this. And once again, this is all about getting businesses more clients without these businesses having to invest more money into like employees, whatever. And a business always wants more clients. If you help them get them these clients, then they'll be happily paying you money for that. And it's super easy. Every beginner can do this. In fact, most of the work has already been done for you. This is like a brand new AI in 2026. So yeah, I can only highly recommend that you check this out. The buy button is down below, and we can't wait to see you inside.